Hey there, everybody. It's Angela. How are you? Listen, we are off to a great start in this class where we've ended Module 1 and now we're moving into Module 2. Module 2 is really fun. It is not going to be one of like your typical labs. It's going to be finding and calculating your ecological footprint. Now, that might scare you a little bit because you think there's going to be math involved and there's not. So, let's go ahead and walk through the steps. It's going to be a very fun, very quick module, and we're going to learn a little bit about global sustainability, the impact that we have, how we actually calculate our human footprint. So, what are the factors that we use in order to talk about the impact that we have as humans? And the cost of the influence that we have. So, remember at the beginning of the course, we were talking about how we as humans are actually part of nature. So, we think that when we talk about nature, we're talking about something else, but we're actually talking about ourselves. So, we are designed in and with nature. So, when we calculate this out, our human footprint, we're talking about the impact that we have within other parts of nature that also relate to us, right? So, in this module, what we're going to do is we're going to learn first about what we call the donut. You're going to watch this really brief video. It's super quick. And you're going to answer 4 questions. And you're going to figure out, what is this donut? What are we talking about? And why are the boundaries within this donut so important? And then you're going to answer these next 3 questions. Really important to make sure that you answer questions in complete sentences and to the very best of your ability. Remember also that you can write your answers or speak your answers and record yourself. And then you're going to watch this quick video on how much does it cost? Like when we eat meat, yes, there is a financial cost for us. Like when we go to In-N-Out, it's whatever, $5. But what is the cost of actually flying that meat or moving that meat? You know, there's a meat that's actually being produced in Brazil at the moment for American use. What is the cost of that? Now, I don't necessarily mean like the cost of putting the meat on a plane. I mean the cost on the earth. So, clearing the jungles, making room for that very large animal, what is the cost? So, this is also going to be your check in for the week. I'm sure you recall when you click reply and you say, all right, Angela, I'm good to go. I'm feeling good about learning about sustainability or the cost. And then you're going to reply to me, and then you're going to move into the lab. So, in this lab, we're actually going to be utilizing a specific website. And that website is right here. It's called the footprintcalculator.org. So, in this lab, you're going to be learning about your ecological footprint that's really unique to you. So, you're going to click on this website and you're actually going to go through the questions. Let's see how long it takes to pull up here. There we go. No, I'm good with English. Thank you. So, what you're going to do is go ahead and go through this really survey. The cool thing about this is that for each question that you're given, you can actually click add details to improve accuracy. Because as you can see, this is a sliding scale. It's not like it asks you 1 through 4 or on a scale of 1 to 10, click 3 or 4. It asks you to go ahead and use the sliding scale. And then if you want to improve the accuracy of figuring out what your footprint is, you can go ahead and click on this, and then it will help you designate more variables, like, for example, beef or lamb, right? There are some of us that eat only chicken, there are some of us that eat only fish. So, this quick survey really affords us the opportunity to do that. And then when you're done, you go ahead and you click next. And then at the end, what it's going to do is actually going to calculate out for you your footprint. And then you're going to answer the questions. And you can submit this lab either by printing it out and writing it manually, or you can print it out and answer in electronic format, or you can answer in electronic format only. So here are the questions. And once you calculate out your footprint, you're going to go ahead and go through these questions. And please, if you could, stick to utilizing the lab that's given here, and always making sure that you either leave these questions here or answer using complete sentences. The last part of this lab, which is, you'll notice this is a very quick lab, is that here are two different ways that you can calculate out your footprint. So you're going to utilize these two websites at the very end and see how these two sites are different from the one that we've chosen to calculate out our footprint. So again, this is really what this lab is all about. That's all there is to this lab. And it's due on Sunday. So we're back to our Monday, Sunday schedule. And as always, I'm happy to clarify anything and everything. So please always know that I'm here with office hours. I'm here an additional hours. You can reach me through text, through Canvas messages. You can always reach me through my email, but please know that that email is extremely, extremely busy. And I want to make sure that I can reach you as quickly as possible. So I hope you're having a great week, and I look forward to hearing to each and every one of you.